Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys an unboxing video of new Summit Colors Distribution's surprise Valentine's gift for 2022. This is my fourth PR gift from New Summit Colors Distribution, and I want to thank you guys for sending me another PR gift. Okay, so first we have a CND solar oil. Then we have Rescue RXX. Awfully Fast. Scrub Fresh. Longwear Top Coat, which is one of my favorites. Then Argan Oil Therapy by Cynos, which is also good in moisturizing your hands and your cuticles. Then we have CND Vinylux in Wrapped in Linen. Books and Beaujolais. Candlelight. Soft Flame. Verbena Velvet. And Wooded Bliss. These 6 shades are from CND Vinylux Wild Romantics collection. I'll be leaving the link for their shops in the description box below. And I'll be also leaving their official social media pages. Once again, thank you so much New Colors Distribution for all of these. I'll soon be posting more Valentine's Day nail arts with this collection. Plus, I'll be also swatching this collection. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!